that was gear 1.
Be fast.
That's 2. 3. 4. That's 5. 6. 10.
The pilot.
The pilot, Mr. Williams. This is my first time, guys. It's my first time also.
You are very brave. You have a soft brain.
Thanks very much.
You catch up very fast.
I'll catch up very fast, yeah. How I wish it was a weekend would have gone. Up to Chingora.
Up to Chingora.
Yes. I can do a change.
Yeah. Reduce the speed. Yeah.
Just go after the cake now. Okay, I can start doing my change down.
Exactly.
Okay. So I'm in gear 10 right now. I can start doing it. So that was gear 9. So I wait a bit for the left counter to be somewhere below 10, at 10 or below 10,
At 10 or above 10.
or above 10.
Yes. Okay.
That was nice.
That's gear what?
So that was gear 8.
Gear 8.
8, yeah. That was 7. That was 6.
One Williams.
So that was 5. That was 4.
Uh-huh.
3. 2. And 1.
1. Congratulations.